This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Charlotte Hitchens. 1-level home, 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, maintenance-free extension, open plan with vaulted and tray ceilings. Living, dining, kitchen combined. No popcorn ceilings, kitchen has solid surface countertops, refrigerator washer/dryer included. Screened-in porch with a private backyard. Tile throughout, bdrms or carpeted primary bath, has a DBL lavatory, walk-in shower and private toilet, area.Walk in closet, guest bdrms on opposite side of home. 2-car garage, stone FPL, 1,590 square feet, built in 2007, loads of SDG. Minus $220,000. For more information, review the details below or contact Charlotte Hitchens at